Welcome to Pocket Women, Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I have something different. I've got a package from Shua L. He said he was going to send me a master lockout lock for me to have a play with. He featured it on his channel, so check it out. He reckons I'll have half a chance of picking it. But this box is a whole lot bigger than a little padlock, so he's gone and thrown in something extra. Not easy to get into. So I've upgraded. I'm not using a chisel today. I've got a blade. Oh, cool. He sent me the little lockout lock, and that's the bedding, so I reckon I'll be able to pick that if I keep practicing. I watched his video. It goes into a false set, so it's got spools, so I look forward to picking that. And this one, oh cool, it's a Lockwood. Very nice. That's the bedding on that one. Really good beginner practice locks. Thank you very much, Shua L. Check out his channel. It's a fair dinkum picker. And I've got something for him in return. I was able to get hold of some lockout locks. However, I reckon these ones are too advanced for me. That one, haven't been able to pick it. This next one, check the bedding on that. I sent him an email, and I reckoned I had Buckley's and Nana trying to pick that. And he's sent me back a message saying, don't sell yourself short. Give it a go. You never know. Keep practicing and you'll be able to pick it. So I'm sending this one and this one to Shua L. He can have those. You can have fun with those. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciate the package. Stay legal. Temptations everywhere.